Installing adapter plate to projector. Note: different quantities of fasteners are used for lamp projectors and laser projectors. Attach adapter plate to projector using the correct number of fasteners for the type of projector. Lamp projector, use 4 M4 by 10 mm Phillips flathead screws. Laser projector, use 5 M4 by 10 mm Phillips flathead screws. Attaching projector mount assembly. Note: the projector mount assembly ships with the boom arm preset to the correct depth. However, depth adjustment may be necessary dependent upon the wall's vertical plane. Lift projector mount assembly up to projector mount wall bracket and hook top edge onto cross plate of wall bracket. Loosely install two 1/4 20 by 5/8 inch hex head bolts. Installing projector and routing cables. Make sure latch on projector mount assembly is in unlocked position and remove key from projector mount. Lift projector with attached interface and slide buttons on interface into slots on projector mount assembly. Slide latch to locked position to lock projector in place. Lock with key. Connect power cable, video cable, touch sensor cable, and control pad cables. Use zip tie-off points near the projector interface and on projector mount. Route cables through boom arm. The control pad cables, 2 USB and 1 remote cable, should be laid on top of screen mounting brackets so they can be run down the side of the screen to the control pad.